Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Today we got something new for the lathe. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so today I got something new in the mail, and hopefully it fits my lathe. It's a new buffing system! Yay! We're actually going to try some new, finishing up some of these pins and turnings, buffing them. So, at least that's the plan. We're going to see. I heard this is kind of explosive the very first time you turn this on. I'll set you guys back a little bit. You can see how dirty my floor is. Woo-wee! How dirty my shop is. Oh! Alright, so it's all the way slow. God damn, I'm scared. Alright. Make sure we're not hitting anything. Locked. Oh, it's not that bad. Ooh, that's soft. Haha! Yeah, that's a lot of dots. I probably should have turned on the ventilation. Huh. Nice and shiny. Alright. Not as bad as I thought it was. That was kind of boring. But turn that off. Let me grab the compound for these. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so last week's project, I disassembled it, and we're gonna put a wax finish on this. Two things. This design sucks to use. It just doesn't feel comfortable. And then this, you know, your lead's way out here. So, like me when I don't know. I was trying to use it and I just couldn't. So I'm gonna actually flip it around and make this the end, and this is the nib side. So that's what we're gonna do after we're done polishing it. So let's get some compound on here, and yeah, let's get started.
Perfect.
Did it do a good job? Did a really good job of getting me dirty. But shine factor? I say so. Pretty pleased with that. So let's put this thing back together. And we'll go from there. See? Look at all this. Woo. Ta-da! I got something else new. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Pretty cool. I don't know if I have it set up right. It seems to work. So, anyway, let's get it in the vise. I might have to move you guys just a little. Look at that. Nice fit. And, like I said, we're going to put it together the other way. Helpful if I put the threads in right. There we go. Going this way. So, as far as I know, whoa, that spring's kind of weak, ain't it? And you put it in there, lift it up, presses it in. Look how easy that was. Man. Man, oh man, I like that. Yes, sir. And then let's... You know, it actually polished a lot of that out. That was just really, really dark before. And there's some nice highlights in there. We're going to put it right on that dark line on that. Because... Yeah, that's why. Oh, God. And there we go. Take this, put that in. Just screw this. Come on. Why do you not want to screw in? Huh. The threads aren't happy. Bet you it was from when I was disassembling it. Probably bungered up one of the threads. Alright, let me get this together and then I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, there she is. I think she looks much, much better now in this formation too. It's kind of slick looking. Like it. Still a really nice fit on there. Alrighty. Alright, guys.
Alright guys, so since I forgot to even say anything at the end, I did get this off of Amazon. This is a PSI woodworking product. I'll keep trying it out, let you guys know what I think of it. It seems a really good high quality build, so we'll see. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified when I upload my videos. And I will see you next time.